Where are we going today?
Cantina.
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 One, two, three.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Mga anak ni Judy Ann Santos na sina Johan Lucho at Luna, binisita siya sa kanilang restaurant. Napakasaya ng mga ito na sinurpresa ang kanilang nanay Juday, at muling tinikman ang luto nito. Nakakatuwang mapanood ang mga anak ni na Judy Ann at Ryan Agoncillo, na binibigyang importansya ang quality time para sa kanilang ina, lalo na pag ito ay busy sa trabaho na para rin naman sa kanila.
Where are we going today?
Cantina.
Cantina.
Cantina. But you guys know the bulls are back, right?
Of course.
What
My
the-
favorite is the short ribs.
Short ribs. How about you?
I like food.
You like food?
Who doesn't?
I mean, but do you have any specific favorite in the bowls? The flakes. The flakes were the same. So we're going there right now to visit mommy. Am I right? Yeah, and we're going to take you guys with us. And thanks to Luna, she's going to edit this. Hi, Luna!
I'm Luna, by the way.
Made it!
We made it!
We made it!
Yeah! And then here's Luna.
Wait lang
And Kuya Banjo. Hi, Kuya Banjo! Magagawa ka na lang sa birthday.
I'm gonna order. Hi po. Hi po, ate. Can I order po?
You want the angry bowl?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Short ribs.
Short rib?
Yes.
Just one order.
Ito yung vlog mo. Hey. One, two, three. Cake. Tiramisu.